To my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas 2018. This is day number 7 of the Advent calendar unboxings. I'm very excited. I'm going to go straight in and bring out this Airwick calendar and I'm going to look for day number 7. I wonder what we'll be getting today. I really like this calendar and I would definitely get this again. I think because it's candles as well, you're just going to use them, like they're going to get used, and so it's worth getting again next year. I actually can't remember the price, but it wasn't like crazy expensive and it's a bit of fun and I'm really liking it. So we have the purple one, which I do believe is the winter berries, perfect to create a vibrant festive atmosphere thanks to the sweet notes of fresh winter berries. Love it. Fabulous. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going to go into the one that I made myself, which is this one here. Oh, day number 7 is right up here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's in this. Can't remember. I feel like it's been so long since. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So this is like a makeup eraser. It is not an official makeup eraser, but it is a makeup eraser, if that makes sense. It is a makeup removing cloth. This one is from Primark. You get them in packs of 3, and I thought I would pop one of these in here because I absolutely love these, you guys. I have got another one of these, or another 2 of these. It came in a pack of 3 actually. And I really, really like these, and I think if you can have quite a few of them, make sure that you've always got some, because obviously you need to wash them, so you need to shove them in the wash and that. You make sure you've always got like one that's going to be ready for you to use. So much quicker and easier on a night, and for me, it makes me more likely to take my makeup off on a night because it's so quick. I love these. So there we go. Let's move on to the sleek calendar. I'm going to go into the sleek calendar now. Oh, and I've seen day number 7 and it's a thin one. It's quite thin. And I do believe that it might be some kind of pencil liner type thing. I'm just cutting it now because I can't even be dealing. Ooh, what is it? Come on now, come on. Show me what you are. Show me what you're made of. This is a twist up eye pencil. Ooh. Ooh, in the shade Midnight 133. Is that just like black? It's black. So it's a twist up black eyeliner. So far we've got a Body Shop eyeliner. We've got an eyebrow pencil from somewhere. Can't actually remember what else we've got, but excited, we've now got a sleek black eyeliner. Yeah. Let's go into the Soap and Glory calendar and find day number 7. I've already found it. Ooh, okay. This is something I'm not going to use. So this again I would probably gift or put it in a giveaway, but it is, I think it's got, oh, it's a different scent. Is it a different scent? I think it smells exactly the same as the regular pink smell. But this is Heels Genius, and it's basically, I think, yeah, so it's like a foot cream. I just don't use foot creams. I probably should, and maybe as I get older I might start using them, but I'm not, like, I just don't even bother at all. I know that's probably really, really bad, but I just don't. So that will probably be gifted to someone else. It's a really great product to get in there, especially for people who do use like foot creams and things, so yeah. By the way, don't believe I've said cheers to you guys today yet, so cheers my loves. I hope you're all doing well. Moving on, I'm going to go into the Elle calendar. Elle magazine have brought a calendar out this year, and so far I'm loving it. Day number 7. Oh, it's a big one. What's in here then? Oh, what the heck? It's an everything mask. It's an everything mask. This one is the most difficult to get the items out, definitely. But this is an everything mask. It's a Josh Wood colour locking, fade slowing, hair glossing, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair colour. Did you get that? Ooh, okay, excited. I want to smell it. I'm not going to be able to smell it because I'm not going to like, maybe I am. Oh, it doesn't really smell that much actually. What a waste. Wasted that now, hadn't I? That's why I didn't want to do it. Shall I just pop some on like my ends? Let's just condition the ends a little bit. See how we're going. I'm insane. I'm sure you're probably supposed to wash this out afterwards. No, it smells good. It smells familiar. It's got a really nice consistency. I like it. I can't wait to try this out. But now how do I get it off myself? I don't have anything. Tissue. Yeah, so that is a really good size as well. It is 140ml. You're going to get a really good few uses out of that. And it does smell really, really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. So, let's move on to the next one. It's a hair mask and I will be using it definitely. Let's move on to... Have I done this one yet? Oh, I haven't done this one yet. Have I? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Shut up. Ignore me. All I Want for Christmas, day number 7. She's right here. She's right here, and I'm gonna like open her and see what she's got in there. I can't open it. I can't get in. I'm in. Oh, okay. This looks familiar. It is a patisserie. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother. Bath and shower cream. Show you guys so you can at least see and read it for yourself. Not that you're gonna be able to see it or read it, but it's fine. So this is what we've got, and it is a bath and shower cream with the happy scent of strawberry oil. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells. Oh, it smells very strawberry-like. You know, like as if, like you would imagine any kind of strawberry lip product kind of to smell. Ooh, I like it. I can't wait to try that out. So it's basically like a shower wash, a body wash. Let's move on to the Body Shop and see what we've got today in our Body Shop calendar for number 7. Whoa, it's a big one. Or it's at least in a big box. It's not a big one, it's just in a big box. That's what she said. Oh, really, I am insane. And today we are saying don't waste ditch disposal cups for a mug and water bottle. Okay. Ooh, we've got an eyeshadow brush. So I have already got, oh my god, what the heck? We've already got an eyeshadow brush in, I think a sleek one. I think we got a sleek eyeshadow brush. Now we have a Body Shop one too. I don't think I got one of these last year. But saying that, like I did get obviously 25 items and I can't quite remember them all. But I'm still happy with that. Hopefully we didn't get one last year. But either way, I like it. It's cool. It's an eyeshadow brush. Woohoo! And for day number 7, what are we seeing? Ooh. I think I have one of these, or I've tried one of these at some point, but it is is it called iCut? Yeah, iCut London Black Magic Mascara. So this is basically just a mascara, drama and curl. Designed for after hours seduction, our unique brush creates drama, volume and curl combined with an extreme carbon black, water resistant finish. So I guess it's like a waterproof one as well. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have 8 items here. I think this might be my least exciting day out of everything so far. Probably my best item out of this is going to be this. I'm really excited to try it. But at the same time, it's just a hair mask, so it's not as exciting as like certain makeup things. It's hard to explain. It's exciting. It's going to be very, very useful. But it's not going to be as much like fun, if that makes sense. Does that make any sense? Probably not, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm excited to try these products out. I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far. We are a week in now. Oh my god, we are a week in. I'm still struggling to believe that it is like Christmas again. Like we've just done this. We've literally just done this. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, if this is the first video that you've ever clicked on of me, please do hit that subscribe button because there are lots more. There's a whole playlist and 25 days worth of these videos along with another 25 days worth of makeup, nails, hauls, all sorts of different type videos. There's a few hair ones going on as well if you want to see how I got my orange hair, then you know. please do join us. I would love that, and I would love it if you would like this video. If you do, then I know that you're liking what you're seeing, and I'll keep doing more of them. Although you're not getting out of it, because there are definitely going to be 25 of these videos. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's a week in already. I love you guys so much. The support you give me, it means absolutely everything. I hope you're having an amazing December, an amazing Vlogmas so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!